Hey friends, if you wish to install NetBeans for Java programming on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, here's why this is important, because if you search for the Microsoft Store and search for NetBeans in the Microsoft Store search bar, you won't find anything here. Maybe a Java formatter, or maybe the whole complete Visual Studio community, but not NetBeans itself. So what would you do? Here's my suggestion. Open Microsoft Edge and search for NetBeans in the Bing search bar. And the reason is that in the Bing search bar, the most prominent result will be mentioned with a download button. So when you click on the download button, it will redirect you to the original website, and then you can download the latest release, and you can use the installer packages and you can download them. Let me show you. So here's a zip file and it's downloading the zip file, I guess. No, wait. We'll have to click on this option and then click on save as and then select download location. It will download and install as a zip file, so we will extract it after it downloads, and it's a pretty heavy file at 477 MB. But the best part is that we know that it is from the genuine website, because if it wasn't, it wouldn't show in the search results here, and if it's showing in the search results, it means that this is the original website. Now whether it pushes in malware or not is something we will check while installing it. There are a lot of applications which are not on the Microsoft Store, and I don't think that this is not on the Microsoft Store for any security related reason. I think that it's omitted from the Microsoft Store because this is an application specific application. I mean, it is for Java, it's so application development, and most of the apps on the Microsoft Store are pretty generic ones. So it has almost been downloaded. We'll have to wait a little longer for, let's say, 20 more seconds, and once it downloads we will extract it. Now for extracting files, I have previously used 7-zip because it allows you to extract files faster. It allows you to extract files of various formats, but here we can simply use normal ones. So right click on it and select extract all and then click on extract, and then it will start extracting the file. It's at 0%. It will need quite a while to extract all of these files. Once it extracts, you can obviously install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.